Welcome to our tutorial on React 18's useMemo hook. Let's start by importing useMemo from the React library. This hook is used to optimize performance by memorizing expensive function results. Here we have a React functional component called expensive component. It takes a single prop named dependency, which we will use within our useMemo hook. Within the component, we create a constant called expensive value. This is the value that we want to memoize using useMemo. In the useMemo hook, we define a function that computes our expensive value. This could be any operation that is computationally intensive, like data processing or calculations that we don't want to run on every render. React 18's cleanup feature with useMemo allows us to return a cleanup function directly from the function passed to useMemo. This cleanup function will be invoked before the useMemo is re-invoked or when the component unmounts. Notice the dependency array at the end of the useMemo hook. Our memoization is tied to the dependency prop, meaning that the expensive value will only be recomputed when this dependency changes. Finally, we render our component using the memoized expensive value. Because this value is memoized, we avoid unnecessary recalculations and render the component efficiently. And that concludes our expensive component. This pattern is extremely useful for optimizing components that rely on heavy computations, ensuring smooth and efficient updates only when necessary.